guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kwemi in the building. Do you want to see how I make this delicious puff puff? Then subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and
what
keep
we'll
on
be
watching.
needing for a puff puff or puff puff is 2.5 cups of all multi-purpose flour. We'll be needing 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. We'll be needing 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. We'll be needing about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. It is completely optional, you don't have to put it in your own, but just like to put it in mind to give you that aroma. Then a pinch of salt. Start off by making a well inside the flour. Then we'll combine all our dry ingredients together just like this. We'll be pouring our sugar. You're going to pour everything inside. Then you're going to mix it with your hand, because we'll be using our hand to mix it when we pour the water. When we add the water, make sure you give it a good mix. Make sure everything is well incorporated. We're going to make a well inside our flour. Then we are going to add our water. Going to pour our water. So here goes our water. Then we'll combine together just like this. Here's the mixture after I've combined both the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. This is the consistency. As you can see, it's not so running, but it's dropping, because if it's too watery, it's going to soak oil, and we don't want that. So it's not going to be too thick and too thin. This is how it's going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it up with a cellophane nylon. And if you don't have a cellophane nylon or a wrap, it's completely fine. You can use any cover, like a plate cover or the cover of your pot. It's still okay. You can use it to cover it. Then we're going to cover it and allow it to rise for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to go and cover that up now and show you what exactly I'm talking about. Here is our puff wrapped up nicely with cellophane. But like I said earlier, if you don't have a cellophane nylon, it's not a problem. The lid of your pot or any cover will do just fine. So in absence of that cellophane nylon, you can use pretty much any cover. This is what the puff puff mix looks like after 20 minutes. It has doubled in size. So we're gonna start frying just right now. Can you see that? Wow, our oil is hot enough, so I'm going to start frying. If you want to fry, you're gonna hold your puff like this. Then you turn your hand to the other side. Then your fist, you're going to squeeze the two, both your index finger and your thumb. You're going to squeeze it so that the puff just pops right in the middle. Going to do this again, just like that. That's going to give it that round look. You don't want your puff puff to just go off shape or be shapeless Just look at how round these beauties are. Just look at this beautiful puff puff. I mean, it smells so good. I wish you can smell it from wherever you're watching. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video, share it. Bye. See you in my next video.